To our beloved and enthusiastic Calauag is District Supervisor, Ma'am Helen R. Esternon. To our very own active and hardworking school principal, Sir Rosano P. Bernal. To our engaging and energetic teachers. To all the barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Perlita D. Romero. Our dear parents, fellow graduates, to all the people who here right now, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Graduation Day marks a significant milestone in our young lives. Two words that signify sacrifice between ourselves, especially to our parents. In return, fulfillment of one's dreams. Today is not the end, hence it's just beginning. It's just a stepping stone to move forward and conquer dreams. This school year 2021-2022 brought us many challenges in our lives. Two words that signify sacrifice between ourselves, especially to our parents. This COVID-19 pandemic taught us not take things for granted, to always be grateful. But I will take my opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to the people who made my years of learning productive and memorable with the support and guidance of our school principal. To ensure the quality of education can be delivered to us through love and effort. That ensure that school is performing in the utmost productive and efficiently even amidst this new mode of learning, this modular distance learning due COVID-19 pandemic. Sa ating tahanan, nararanasan natin ang hirap ng pag-aaral gamit ang ating module. Darating si nanay galing sa paaralan, bit-bit-bit ang papel na dapat nating sagutan. Aminin man natin o hindi, marami sa atin ang nahihirapan at nararanasang pagkatamad minsan. Kaya minsan halos paluin na tayo ng ating magulang para lang hawakan at basahin natin ang nilalaman ng ating module. Ganun pa man, nandiyan pa rin sila kahit sila na mismo ay nahihirapang unawain ng module, pero patuloy pa rin nila tayong sinusuportahan. Hindi sila kagaya ng nakagawian nating guro na nag-aral at nag-training para magturo ng estudyante. Nalagay sila sa isang sitwasyon na hindi nila inaasahan ng maging guro. Parents, thank you for keeping us motivated and guided as we doing our tasks at home. Despite of all problems and challenges, encounter our daily lives. Thank you for giving us strength when we are weak. Thank you for giving us wings when we can fly. You are truly our inspiration for reaching our dreams little by little. We commend you all the sacrifices you made for us. But through the leadership and initiative of our school principal with all teachers and our parents, limited face-to-face classes is on. Di makagayang nakagawian, maraming bawal at kailangan ng disiplina sa pagpasok. We are here today, enjoying our fruit labor. Sama-sama nating tanggapin ang minimithi nating diploma. Sa amin pong mami at daddy, mama at papa, nanay at tatay, inay at itay, at sa lahat po ng taong gumabay sa amin. Sa aking mga tita, Tita Dalin, Tita Bunay, Tita Joan, at sa mga tita at tito ko na kamag-anak ni Papa Will. Kila mami at daddy na laging nagbabantay at nag-aalaga sa amin kapag wala sila mama. At kay tita ko yung na laging nagsasauli ng aking module. Sa mga tita at tito ko, kay Tito Imbit, Tito Ren, at kay Papa Tito. Sa aking mga naging guro, Ma'am Mavic, Ma'am Bioli, Ma'am Seng, Ma'am Analu, Ma'am Lani, Ma'am Pabes, Ma'am Isang, Ma'am Eden, Ma'am Marian, Sir Paul, Sir Arnold, Sir Bernal, At sa aking gurong tagapayo, Ma'am Irene. Masaya po ako kahit saglit lang po tayong nagkasama-sama. Maraming salamat po. At sa aking mama na naging guro ko hindi lang sa tahanan, siya rin ang aking kinder teacher at unang nagturo sa aking bumasa at sumulat. At kay Papa Will na laging umaattend sa mga meeting at atag sa paaralan, Mama at Papa Will, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal at support ang ibinigay niyo po sa akin para ako'y makapagtapos. At sa pag-aalaga sa aming magkapatid, lalo na kapag ako'y nagkakasakit. Mula po sa aking puso, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. To my fellow graduates, thank you for the memories we shared in the past 7 years. All of you become of my life. We shared joy, sadness, and hard work during our elementary days. Sometimes we're enemies, but at the end of the day, we're become friends. All of you in my heart always. We are now moving in the exciting chapter of our life. Study harder, never give up. I wish you all the best. Last but not the least, I will give my sincerest and gratefulness to our Heavenly Father for giving me a strength and wisdom who I am today. Please take us on our track as we navigate our life and decisions in the right directions. Once again, thank you and good afternoon.